Here he comes. You want to say hi, Joe? Here he comes. Here comes Joe.
Hi, Joe.
One more time. Here comes Joe. Here he comes. Coming around the corner. Here he is. There it is.
Hi, Joe.
Which one?
That.
This one?
No, the other one.
Well, this is one that only you can play with if Papa's around, right?
What is it? Hi, Joe.
Papa, you got to show him about this one. 'Cause I don't want to play with this until you show him. Wait. Wait.
Hi, Mom. Papa. Hi, Mom. Can you show me this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.